Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, changing the call ringtone allows users to personalize their device and make them reflect their individual style and preferences. Well, here are the steps to do. Okay, first thing first, open Play Settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select sound and vibrations. Okay, and then choose ringtones option. Well, after that, here you can select the SIM card for which you want to change the ringtone. Okay, and then you will see a list of available ringtones. And then you can scroll through the list to preview different options. Well, once you found a ringtone you like, you can tap on it to select it. Okay, and then now your call ringtone is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.